Happening now, a national reminder that there is still time to get vaccinated against the flu.
It's National Influenza Vaccination Week, and it comes as cases of flu surge alongside COVID and other respiratory illnesses. News 8's Cody Adams joins us now. You got some advice from an expert at IU?
Yeah, good morning. John Christensen is a professor of clinical pediatrics at the IU School of Medicine. He says there are ways to help prevent getting the flu and other illnesses for you and your family. The CDC reported 7 new flu deaths in Indiana in its latest report released on Friday. 11 Hoosiers have died so far this season. It moves Indiana into the very high flu category on this CDC map. CDC data shows nearly 20,000 Americans were admitted to the hospital for flu last week, almost double the number of admissions from the week before. The CDC estimates that there have been at least 8.7 million illnesses, 78,000 hospitalizations, and 4,500 deaths from influenza this season. Now, those numbers, along with the still rampant COVID-19 and RSV season, is causing strain for some hospitals. During this National Influenza Vaccination Week, the National Foundation for Infectious Diseases is urging everyone aged 6 months and older to get a flu vaccine, especially adults whose chronic health conditions put them at higher risk. Dr. Christensen says since the beginning of COVID-19, it's become more difficult to predict the start of flu season. It typically doesn't start until January, but has hit earlier this year, much like RSV did.
We have vaccines that can prevent influenza, not only for children, but also in adults, right? At the same time, we have vaccines that can protect against COVID. So it's very important that everybody in a family cohort get vaccinated against these viruses, so that way you protect everybody.
It's important to note the latest CDC data likely does not reflect the full effects of holiday gatherings, since it only captures through November 26th. That's just 2 days past Thanksgiving. Live in the newsroom, Cody Adams, WishTV, WishTV.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Cody, thank you. It is a 7:16.